Hi, this is Vicky, and today you are watching a view station and an unboxing a MacBook Air, a laptop. It's very good Apple device, and now we are open this device. Good packing from Amazon. Good specification. Apple give a Core i5 fifth generation processor. Clock speed should be a 1.6, a turbo boost, and a cache 3 MB. Inbuilt 4 GB RAM and hard disk capacity 128 GB SSD. Wow, good packing with bubbles. So it's very safety for your device. Now we are open a MacBook Air box. This is second packing from Apple. This is MacBook Air. Good supporting for your MacBook Air safety. Yeah. So now you see your device. School, very handy. Now we are open. Wow, pretty good. Small size. Screen size should be 27.91 centimeter. It means 11-inch. Lightweight. This is LED black LED glossy and Intel HD graphic 6000. Okay, then in this box including this is your charger. Apple, very good quality, strong and durable. No doubt about it. This is converter. It's manual, should be manual. And this is Apple logo. Good packing with very safety product. That's it. So now we are discuss about this product, including two USB. One is this side and second one is right hand side. One is your headphone jack. This is your charger. and uh, this is SD slot. Should be a multi-card slot, and weight should be a 1.8 kg, and the color is silver. Looks good, very good. So now I'm open this Apple tagging. Wow. It's very light. 1.8 means nothing. It's very light, very thin. It's very slim, and it's give a front webcam for video chatting, and very good back panel. So now we are starting this device. Language should be use English.
To use English for the main language, press the return key.
Yeah. Select your country. United States. Unlimited.
OS 10 includes a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Okay.
If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Searching your wireless devices. Continue. Continue. Skip these steps. This is OS X software license agreement. So I'm agree these conditions. So very handy, and no doubt about this device. Apple is Apple. A MacBook Air is very thin and lightweight. So that's all, my viewers. Thanks for watching View Station.